Hey everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys. All are serially packed here. I will hand wrap these toys with my hand, so let's go. First one is a crocodile water tanker. Next one is a boy's scooter. Next one is a Avenger sports car. Next one is a heavy duty drum truck. Next one is a Tesla hybrid car. Next one is a Roadmaster sports car. Next one is a heavy duty vehicle. Next one is a girl's scooter. Next one is a fire service rescue truck. Next one is a Roadmaster yellow color sports car. Next one is a speedboat yellow color car. Friends, all are serially packed here. I will ending this video. See you soon next time. Tata.